So here we are on Canva. I wanted to show how you can create images to do your social media posts. I met with someone today who wanted to do some Facebook posts, and I mentioned Canva and wanted to show how it was used. So we are going to look at, I like the photos. Right now you have all kind of amazing photos that you can use, and these are images that if you click the little free, as you saw me do there, they're free to use. Others cost $1 if you want to upgrade. And these images are copyright free, so you don't have to worry about anyone complaining that you're using their photos and have copyright issues and lawsuits, etc. So this is why I love Canva. And you saw how I did the first image. All you have to do is download it. You can publish right to Facebook, of course, if you wanted to, but I prefer to download, have a little bit more control over it, save it to my desktop, and that way I can go into my Facebook Creator Studio and actually schedule posts out. So this is just my example of Facebook post. Save it on the desktop, and my first design is done. I'm going to show you some other ways that you can do it. I'm going to add several images, and we're going to make them into a little animated video. So we're going to just keep adding a few images here. We'll probably do about 4. You can see how quick this goes. Add a new page. The most time you're going to spend is actually looking for the images, but there's a search button you see there, and you can actually target by what you're searching for. So it would save you some time. But as for this video, this is an example. I'm kind of just showing you how it can be done. And when you go to share, instead of the ping, you're going to do animation, or you could do video. I prefer the animation because you get to see that image when you share it on Facebook. If you do the MP4, there's no image. It's kind of a blank hole. You also get to decide if you want it to slide, breathe, pan, rise. So you get different choices. I'm going to do a slide for this particular one and hit the download. And this takes a few more minutes because it is generating that special animated features. It's not as quick as just a one image, ping image. Ping always works great for the web. You can also use the JPEG formats with Canva. All depends what graphic materials are needed for as to what type of images you may want to use. As you can see, it's still going. You have to keep the window open until it's finished with the animation process. And then you would save it just like we saved the previous image. Now usually I save them to the desktop. And then I go to the Facebook Creator Studio, where you can upload, schedule out posts, not just for Facebook, but also for your Instagram. As you can see, it's still taking a few minutes here, because we had 4 images that they are creating into that animation piece. You can see it's still moving in the color bar here. That means that it's still working. And it's still going. It's taking a little longer than normal, but it does take a little bit of time. Clearing away the screen to see if that can make it go a little quicker here. There we go. And I'm just going to, says the animation, I'm going to save it right to my desktop. There we go. And that one is done. Now I'm going to just delete these because I don't need them in the Canva. And I'm going to show you some other options that you have. So if you go to more, you'll see you can do GIF images. A lot of people love sharing funny GIFs on the web. This is how you can do it without any copyright issues. And there's the little GIF image of the dog. Isn't that adorable? Let's see, you can make it full width so it really Comes out nice in the Facebook stream. We can get rid of these others now. You just hit the little delete, the trash button there. We just have the one image, and make sure you save that as animation. Sometimes you hit that other option as the PNG or the JPEG and you forget and you wonder when you go upload the image, why isn't it working as a Giphy? Why isn't it moving and doing these fun things? It's because you didn't save it properly. So just be sure you hit that animation when you use Giphy. And this takes a little time too, just because of the animation process. Even though it's just the one image, it does take just a little bit of time. But using Canva for your images will save you any copyright headaches that you could encounter if you just went to Google and Googled images. I hear that a lot from people that do their own social media. They just grab images offline, don't even think about it. And when I tell them about the copyright laws, then they really start to think they may have to do something different. So there's your images. I hope you found this video helpful. You can do more exploring with Giphy, as far as you can even do emojis in your images there. You can go in and you can find things from Pexels, which is another site which is copyright free. So you have lots of options now with Canva, and I hope you enjoyed it.